Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make Zarda rice. Zarda is sweet rice coated with yellow food color and sugar syrup. We will make this yummy recipe in easy steps. So first make sugar syrup with 2 cups of sugar, water 1.5 cup and 3 cloves. What else we need to make Zarda rice? Basmati rice 3 cups. Soak them for an hour. Water 8 cups to boil rice. Yellow food color 2 teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1/3 cup, salt half teaspoon, milk 5 tablespoon, kevra water 2 tablespoon. It is optional. Green cardamom 3. So let's make syrup first, then we will start making zarda rice with bismillah. In a small pan add sugar, water and 3 cloves. Boil them for 7 minutes on medium high flame to make syrup. In a pan add 8 cups of water, yellow food color, salt. Keep the flame high to boil it. It will start boiling after 15 minutes. Add rice in it. Rice will start to boil after 5 minutes. Keep the flame high and cook them for more 3 minutes with closed lid. Then strain them and keep the rice in a big bowl. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will use same pan to make zarda rice. So make it dry at medium high flame for 2 minutes. Then add oil. Now keep the flame medium low and add 3 green cardamoms. Let them simmer for 30 seconds. Then add sugar syrup. Cover it and let it boil on high flame. It will start boiling after 3 minutes. Then add yellow rice. Also add milk and kevra water. You can use 1 tablespoon. Then let them cook for 8 minutes on high flame with open lid. Stir them after every 2 minutes so rice could not stick to the bottom of the pan. After 8 minutes, rice absorbs sugar syrup. Now cover them and cook for more 14 minutes on very low flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the rice are cooked. Garnish them with half cup of raisins, half cup of blanched almonds and half cup of pistachio. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, beautiful zarda rice are ready. Let's garnish them and then enjoy very yummy zarda rice with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, tasty recipe of making zarda rice in an easy way is ready. Enjoy it and share recipe with your loved ones. Don't forget to give me a lovely comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart. Also follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.